In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to start affiliate marketing using the power of AI tools to maximize your commissions and save time. If you are a beginner or you are looking to scale your affiliate marketing business, this is the only video you need to watch. And if you guys miss one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can't start making commissions like this. Okay? As you can see over here, this is my affiliate account dashboard and I made $11,495 just in 21 days. Okay, from the first day of December, as you can see over here, until the day 21. Okay, let's click on update, 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 and here you go. The numbers are still the same numbers. It's not screenshots. It's not screenshot. This is my affiliate account dashboard. Anyway, for people who want to start affiliate marketing with AI, step number one, you guys need to create an affiliate account like this one, okay, with Fiverr affiliates. So what you need to do, you just need to go to Google, okay, just go to Google and search for Fiverr. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple, and after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, so you just need to come to this page and scroll down, just keep scrolling down, go to company and click over here on affiliate, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website, as you can see. And what you need to do next, you guys can check this website so you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliates, because we will start promoting services as an affiliate marketers with Fiverr. Okay, it's super easy. You guys can check this website like I said to get an idea and to get more information about this business. Anyway, if you want to join, just click over here on join now, and here you go. You will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. All you have to do, you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. If you have a website, you can say yes. If you don't have, you can say no. Okay, and choose your country from here and choose your language. If you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. You guys can see that the sign up process is super easy and simple. Okay, and for people who will ask, I want to explain this, guys. For people who are asking why it's showing zero in your impressions here, because when you will sign up to Fiverr affiliate, let me show you over here, they will ask you if you have a website. Like I said, if you say yes, you need to put your website link here. Okay, and if you put your website link here, you will start seeing impressions here. So for me, I don't have any website. I'm not using any website. So anyway, I'm gonna choose no, like I said, and here you go. And as you can see, guys, like I said, the sign up process is super easy and simple. And after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. So this will be your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard. Okay, so what you will do next is you need to choose good services and profitable services that you will start promoting using Pinterest. So we will promote our services on Pinterest. Okay, so what you will do next, you will go back to your Fiverr home page. Okay, so since we will promote our services on Pinterest, so first you guys need to create an account on Pinterest. If you don't have, go to Google and search for Pinterest like this. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. They will ask you, do you want to create a business account or personal account? You need to choose business account, and after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. It's for free and it's super easy and simple. Why we choose Pinterest? Because Pinterest, it has really a lot of traffic, maybe like 1 billion monthly visitors. Yes, you guys can see 1 billion monthly visitors. You guys can get so much traffic from Pinterest if you do it correctly, and if you are promoting good and profitable services that people will be interested to buy from you on Pinterest. Okay, so here is what you will do. Like I said, to choose good services, just go back to your Fiverr homepage like this, click on the search for Pinterest. We will promote our services on Pinterest, so we will choose services that are related to Pinterest, services that can help people who are using Pinterest to grow their businesses on Pinterest, and for you, you will earn commissions. Okay, so I'm gonna choose, for example, Pinterest marketing like this. I will scroll down, and here you go. You will find a lot of people here who are providing this service on Pinterest. So what you need to do next is you need to choose good sellers. So how you can choose good sellers? Always choose like level 2 seller, top rated sellers, level 1 sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So you need to choose good sellers, because those people who will click on your affiliate link, they will check the profile of those sellers and they will check the reviews. If those sellers that you are choosing are good, those people will buy this service from you and you will earn commission. So for example, I'm gonna choose like this one here. This one is top rated seller, is a really good seller. He has a lot of reviews, almost 5 star. I will click on his service like this. I will choose this one, and here you go. You guys can see 32 orders in queue. Okay, this is the proof that this service is working, and this is the proof that people who are using Pinterest, and they are using Pinterest for businesses, they are paying for this service. This is the proof. So you guys can see those people who keep saying it's not working. No, 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 dude, it's working. You just didn't do it correctly, and if you and you didn't stay consistent. Okay, it's all about just pay attention to the way that you are and to the method that you are using to promote your affiliate links. Okay, it's all about marketing. It's all about how do you promote those services. Okay, so pay close attention. You guys can see here 32 orders in queue. People keep coming back, meaning that the seller is providing a good service for his customers. You look how many reviews, look how many people paid for this service. Anyway, what you will do, you will copy the link of the seller, copy the profile link of the seller, and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and click over here. You have dashboard, you have marketing tools, reports, payments. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links, and you will be directly in this page. Click over here and put this seller profile link here and click over here. And here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. So what you will do next is you need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. So let's go to Pinterest, go back to your Pinterest homepage, click on home feed, click on create pin, and here you go. Let me show you. You will be in this page like this. So what you will do, you will go back to this seller profile page. Let me show you. Go back to this seller profile page about this service, Pinterest marketing. Scroll down, and as you can see, this seller has a video. Let's check the video, which is really good. So the video is showing how this seller can help people to grow their Pinterest account with Pinterest marketing service. Okay, you guys can see he can make ads, he can make pins, he can increase traffic. This seller has experience, so he know exactly how to grow and how to grow Pinterest business accounts or personal accounts or businesses on Pinterest. Okay, so what you will do, you will, let me show you, double click on the video and click on save video. Okay, save this video to your laptop. Okay, I'm gonna name it pin ads, for example, Pinterest ads. Okay, I will go back to Pinterest, go back to your Pinterest account and click here and upload this video. Okay, let me show you. This is my Pinterest video ad open, and here you go. So you need a title and you need description, and here is how you can use AI to optimize your pins so you can get clicks and start making commissions. So you need to use AI. Okay, so what we will do is we will go back to this seller profile page and we will copy his title like this. Well, now we need to use AI. So what you will do, you will go and create an account on ChatGPT. If you don't have, it's for free. Just go to Google, search for ChatGPT like this, and here you go. Click on the link, sign up by using your email address, and that's it. It's for free. After you finish, this will be your home page, and click here on message and ask him. Okay, I'm gonna ask him turn this title into Pinterest pin title and use good SEO to rank to rank to rank in the first page of in the first page. Okay, in the first page of Pinterest or just in the first page. And I will put this title here about the seller that he is using on Fiverr, and they will click here and they will get a good title. As you can see, Pinterest Queen Expert Management Growth and Marketing Boost. And here you go, you have a good title that you can use to promote this service on Pinterest using good keywords: Pinterest management, Pinterest growth, Pinterest marketing, Pinterest boost, marketing boost. Good keywords are in this title, which is good. I will go back to Pinterest and I will put this title here. Okay, for description, I will go back to this AI, to ChatGPT, and I'm gonna ask him create a pin description from this title. Okay, and here you go. You have a good description, optimized pin description that you can use. Copy this description, go back to Pinterest and put this description here. Scroll down, you need to put your affiliate link here. So go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. For you guys, if you just started this business and you have a new account, you can't see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate account. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years and I still have this option. For you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. Copy your affiliate link from here and just go back to your Pinterest account and put your affiliate link here and click on choose a board. If you have new account, click on create a board and you just need to give it a name and that's it. And you can create as many as you want. I'm gonna choose this one. Scroll down, you need to put here tags. Okay, so how we can find tags? Go back to ChatGPT and ask him. So I will ask him, give me tags that I can use for this pin. Okay, and here you go. So you guys can see this is the power of AI. That's how we can use AI to scale your affiliate marketing business. Here is SEO friendly tags you can use for Pinterest pin, Pinterest marketing. You have Pinterest growth, social media marketing, and you need to copy all those tags and go back to your Pinterest account and put those tags here like this. Okay, and after you finish, click on publish, and here you go, you will publish your first Fiverr affiliate link on Pinterest. And this is exactly how you can start affiliate marketing with AI. Okay, and here you go, you guys can see we have a good title, optimized title. We have this video that we are using. It's fine to use other sellers videos from Fiverr, because you are already an affiliate marketer with Fiverr, and you are helping those people to get more orders and make more money, and for you, you will earn commissions as an affiliate marketer with Fiverr. Okay, and that's it. Start promoting services that will help people to grow their Pinterest account or to grow their businesses on Pinterest. You have social media marketing, you have Pinterest ads, you have Pinterest SEO, Pinterest pin design, and you have so much more. Okay, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. For people who are asking, do you have any affiliate marketing course? Yes, I do. If you guys are interested, you can check my description. I will put my email and you can reach out to me there, and I will be happy to show you exactly how you can start this business from scratch. You will get access to my personal methods, my tools, and so much more. My services that I'm promoting, and everything you need to succeed in this affiliate marketing business. Also, those free methods that I'm using on you and that I'm sharing on YouTube, they are working. A lot of people already reached out to me in my email, and they are thanking me for sharing these videos. I'm really super happy for you guys that you started making commissions and you started making money with this business. It's really, you just need to stay consistent. It's all about consistency. It's all about the content that you are using to promote your affiliate links, and it's all about using good promoting good services related to which platform you are using to promote those services. Okay, for example, if you are promoting services on YouTube, you need to choose services that will help people to grow their YouTube channels and services that people are searching for. You are promoting services on Instagram, you will choose services related to Instagram, and so on. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Again, if you want to see more videos like this, comment in this video affiliate marketing, like this video, and see you in my next videos.